Hello guys, welcome to Decoding Java. So today we are going to install Oracle Java 21 in our Windows operating system. We need to go to our search browser and type Oracle Java download. We will be able to see the Oracle official website. So we will click on this and it is showing Java 21 and Java 17 available now. So we are going to install Java 21. So as we are in the Windows operating system, so we will click on the Windows and I am going to install x64 installer exe file. So it will start downloading for me, as it is not a big file, only 164 MB. So it will take a few seconds to install. Our file has been successfully downloaded. Let's open this file in the folder and we are going to double click on this exe file. Click on next. I am going to keep my installation directory as same. Next. Now it will start installing the JDK 21. So our installation has been successful. Now let's close it. So our Java installation has been done and it is being installed in the local disk C, program files, Java JDK 21, and now I need to go inside the bin folder and I will copy this path because I need to set this path into the environment variables. Now type environment variables. Under the advanced settings, click on the environment variables. Under system variables, click on path. Now edit. Now click on new and paste the path which we have just copied. OK. Now we need to confirm whether our Java 21 has been successfully installed or not. So for that, let's go to command prompt and I will type the command java -version. So as we can see, our Java 21 has been successfully installed. So if anyone wants to install Java 17 on their Windows 11, so I will paste the link into the I button. You can check the video. And that's all for this video. We will meet in the next video.